sorts of game of foul. His story had begun when he got his new shotgun. Every day down to dusk he was on the prowl. Rabbits, hogs, and white-tailed deer all soon began to fear the fiery glow of his 100-orange ball pen. And if they didn't flee, that is the last thing they would see. Here is that double barrel of Mavis gun. Wish I hung nuts, geese, and turkeys too. There was no sick Ponder Lake before the hen got more than great, before the had a ricky thing that flew. Well, it took him several years, and about 500 years, and twice as many rounds of ammunition, till he hung his ball cap, put his shotgun on the rack, picked up the bouquet points and went fishing. Cause he done killed every critter in the county. Took me too much nature's bounty. As soon as lose his mind over a tangled fishing line, cause he done killed every critter in the county. Took me too much nature's bounty. As soon as